Hello everyone, this is Arpita and welcome back to my channel Arpita's IQ. Today I am here with a new topic, that is classification of whole numbers. Classification of numbers already I have discussed in my video. If you want to check that video, I'll give the link in the description box. Please go and check that video. Okay, so now starts with the classification of whole number. So there are basically 6 types. First one is odd number, second one is even number, then prime number, composite number, co-prime and perfect number. So starts with odd number. So odd numbers are basically not divisible by 2. So any whole number, if it is not divisible by 2, that is called as odd number. Like 11. 11 is not divisible by 2. 13, 17, 19, 21, 27, 9, 7, 5, 3. All these numbers are not divisible by 2. So जो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं होता है उसको हम लोग ऑड नंबर कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइप इज इवन नंबर. Even number is completely opposite to the odd number. That is divisible by 2. So odd number था not divisible by 2, but even number is divisible by 2. Suppose a whole number like 10. This is divisible by 2 because 2 5s are 10. 12. 12 also divisible by 2. So 12 is a even number. 22, 26, 8, 4, 30, 32, 36, so on. So all the numbers are completely divisible by 2. So these numbers are called even number. 2, 12, all the numbers are completely divisible by 2. That's why this is called as even number. Remember one thing, always even numbers ended with टू, 4, 6, 8 और 0. सो हमेशा इवन नंबर उसके यूनिट प्लेस पे या तो 2 और 4 और 6 और 8 और 0 होता है. If you check all that number I have written over here, the 10 unit place is 0, 12 unit place is 2, 22 again unit place is 2, 26 unit place is 6, one digit number, so its unit place is 8. If you take another number like 28, so unit place is 8. This number is also divisible by 2. So all the even numbers ended with always this pair, either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0. Okay, so this is the even number. Next type is prime number. Prime number are that numbers which is only divisible by the term only divisible by 1 or the number itself. What does it means? Only divisible by 1 or the number itself. Suppose a number 11. So 11, that is basically 11 have only two factors, 1 and 11, because 11 is, if you try to break the 11 को हम तोड़ नहीं सकते, बस 1 और 11 के अलावा इसको हम ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते. 11 किसी भी नंबर के टेबल पे नहीं आता है. So 11 divided by 11, only it is divisible by 1 and the number itself, that is 11. So such numbers which is not divisible by any other number, only divisible by 1 or the number itself, that type of numbers comes under prime numbers. like 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, then 41 and so on. सो इनमें से किसी भी नंबर को आप ले लो, किसी को भी आप ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते हो। ये कोई भी नंबर किसी का भी टेबल पे नहीं आता है, दैट इज इसका कोई फैक्टर्स ही नहीं है। सो 1 only divisible by 1 itself. 3, that is also either 1 or divisible by 3 itself. In case of 5, 5 is divisible by 5 or 5 itself. हम या तो 1 और 5 से ही बस इसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, बाकी किसी भी नंबर से ए डिविजिबल नहीं है। सो सच टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड प्राइम नंबर्स, जिनका दो फैक्टर्स ही होता है, एक तो 1 एंड द नंबर इट्स। Then fourth one is composite number. Composite number. So those are not prime, that comes under composite number. That is the number having more than two factors. Having more than two factors. So the number having more than two factors, prime numbers have only two factors, but composite numbers, they have more than two factors. Okay, so if you take the number like 8, 8 is divisible by 1, so 1 is a factor of 8. It is completely divisible by 2 also, so 2 is a factor of 8. Then it is completely divisible by 4, so 4 is another factor of 8. And 8 itself. So always any number, always they have a common factor, that is 1 and the number itself. So 1 and 8 or 1 and the number itself, these two are known as common factor. And rest of the factors, they are known as proper factor. So 1 and the number itself known as common factor, and the rest of the factors known as proper factors. If you take another number like 24, so 24's factors are 1, then 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24, the number itself. So 1 and 24, these two are common factor of 24. But rest of the factors like 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, they are the proper factors. Got it? So composite numbers basically having more than two factors. The fifth one is co-prime. Already we know about prime numbers. Prime numbers are basically they have only two factors, but co-prime numbers, co means a pair, or you can say at least two. So co-prime, that is it indicates any two number, at least any two number. किसी भी pair को हम indicate कर सकते हैं. Suppose a number, suppose two numbers like 6 and 5. So in case of co-prime number, it is not necessary that both the numbers should be prime number. Here it is 5 is a prime number, but 6 is a composite number. It is not necessary that दोनों ही नंबर प्राइम होना पड़ेगा तभी वो लोग को प्राइम होगा, ठीक है। सो कोई भी नंबर आप ले लो, अगर उसका फैक्टर्स और HCF, नॉट एग्जैक्टली फैक्टर्स, HCF, सो HCF ऑफ 5 and 6 बेसिकली 6 को अगर हम ब्रेक करें तो 6 को फैक्टर क्या होता है 1, 2, 3 एंड 6, बट 5 के फैक्टर्स क्या होता है 5 इज अ प्राइम नंबर बेसिकली 1 and 5. So if we try to find the HCF of 5 and 6, it will be 1. HCF क्या होता है highest common factor. Here 1, only 1 is common. So HCF of 5 and 6 is 1. So co-prime numbers is basically if any two numbers, their highest common factor is 1, then these two numbers, that 5 and 6, together called as co-prime number. So if any pair of number having HCF as 1, then the pair of number is known as co-prime number. Is it clear? So कोई भी नंबर आप ले लो, नॉट नेसेसरीली दैट बोथ आर प्राइम, कोई भी नंबर आप उठा सकते हो, अगर उसका HCF, दोनों का HCF अगर 1 आता है, देन द टू नंबर्स, दिस टू नंबर्स बेसिकली नोन एज co-prime number. The last one is perfect number. That is perfect number. So what is perfect number? अगर किसी भी नंबर का फैक्टर्स लाइक 6, सो 6 के फैक्टर्स क्या क्या होता है? 1, 2, 3 एंड 6 इटसेल्फ. सो किसी भी नंबर का अगर फैक्टर्स को दैट नंबर छोड़ के, सो 6 का फैक्टर 6 इटसेल्फ, सो एक्सेप्ट 6 ऑल द रिमेनिंग फैक्टर्स. सो 6 का फैक्टर 6, हम 6 को नहीं काउंट करेंगे. All the remaining factors, that is 1, 2 and 3, if we add them together, they make the original number. So this kind of number is known as perfect number. So perfect number basically क्या हुआ? किसी भी नंबर का आप फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करो पहले, और उसका itself जो फैक्टर्स है that is 6, और इंस्टेड ऑफ 6 you can take any one of the numbers. So उस perfect number में से उस नंबर को छोड़ के, 6 को छोड़ के रिमेनिंग जो फैक्टर्स है उसका अगर हम ऐड करें तो हमें अगर वही ओरिजिनल नंबर मिलता है, 6 is your original number. Six is the original number, और 6 को as a factor 6 को छोड़ के we have 1, 2 and 3. So if we add them together, it will give 6. That is the original number. So such kind of number is known as perfect number. Okay friends, so thanks for watching.